Hello viewers and welcome to my channel. Hope you all are alright. Before to start the video, I ask to you that firstly subscribe our channel and also press the bell button. It may cause a notification of our new videos in your mobile. Coming back to our video, this video is about Hobby Lobby 4 fights ancient table with the epic of Gilgamesh to Justice Department. The Department of Justice on Tuesday ordered the forfeiture of a table containing a portion of the Epic of Gilgamesh, on the oldest known works of literature. The forfeiture is part of an ongoing process in return thousands of clay tablets and bullied that were illegally smuggled out of Iraq and purchased by Hobby Lobby. The DOJ alleges that the Gilgamesh Dream tablet was illegally shipped to the US from London by an antique dealer and cuneiform expert in 2003. Once in the US, the tablets was cleaned and experts were able to identify the cuneiform writing as part of the Gilgamesh epic written in Akkadian. The tablet was then sold in 2007 with the false letter of provenance. The DOJ claims, which accompanied the tablet as it was sold several times over the next few years, eventually landing at an auction house back in London in 2014. The auction house sold the tablet to Hobby Lobby for $1.6 million. Hobby Lobby purchased the tablet and thousands of others like it with the intent of displaying some of them in the Museum of the Bible, which is funded by a family of the arts and crafts chain's founder, David Crane. The Gilgamesh Dream tablet was seized by law enforcement officers in 2019. According to the DOJ, and Hobby Lobby agreed to its forfeiture. The forfeitures represent an important milestone on the path of returning this rare and ancient masterpiece of world literature to its country of origin, said Laqueline Casuals, the acting U.S. Attorney for the Eastern District of New York. This office is committed to combating the black market sale of cultural property and the smuggling of looted artifacts. Hobby Lobby had previously agreed to return thousands of artifacts it had purchased that were illegally smuggled out of Iraq through the United Arab Emirates and Israel and pay a $3 million fine. The company was new to the world of acquiring these items and did not fully appreciate the complexities of the acquisitions process. This resulted in some regrettable mistakes, Hobby Lobby said in a statement in 2017. The company imprudently relied on dealers and shippers who, in hindsight, did not understand the correct way to demarcate and ship these items. However, since learning of these errors, the company has been an active participant with the government's investigation and support its effort to protect the world's ancient heritage. This is the video which was I talking about. Okay viewers, be safe in your homes. I will come back with a new video. Stay tuned. Bye bye.